Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another video, and today we will be working with Nadula here. This unit is their 24-inch 13x4 Jerry curl wig, and I definitely love this unit. I love what it's given after I finish installing it. If you want to see how I install this unit, then go ahead and check out the video, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this unit. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package today. So we received some small gifts in our package today. And this is the wig we'll be working with today. This unit is a 24-inch 13x4 Jerry curls wig with curly baby hair. The unit comes fully customized with the wig attached. It's already plucked, and it comes with those pre-made curly baby hair. This is it. If you're interested and you want to purchase this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Nadula here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. I have my edges pushed back and I have a wig cap on, but I'm also going to go ahead and add my wig grip band to this before we put our wig on. So now that we did that, I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. This is what the unit is looking like. The unit comes pre-plucked. It has pre-made baby hair. And again, it has the adjustable strap attached to it already. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation on my lace. This is their transparent lace. This is what it's looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace, and then we put our wig on. So this is our lace with the foundation added. Just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. This is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. Again, it came with the pre-made curly baby hair. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. The first thing I'll be doing is to cut the ear tabs out, and then we cut the excess lace off. First, I want to just go ahead and push the hairline back. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting the ear tabs out, and right off the bat I can tell you guys that the wig, it fits my head great. It has a really strong hold to it. So now what I'm about to do is to glue my unit. I will be using my Eben Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. I also will be cutting the excess lace off first, but this is what our wig is looking like. This is what the hairline looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. Alright guys, so this is what the hairline is looking like. It is giving a really natural look, and it is completely glueless right now. I just cut the excess lace off, but this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my hairline back, apply the glue, and then apply the hair to it. This will give it a really natural look. Alright guys, so this is what our hair is looking like now that we glued it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair and then we tie this down, but it is giving it really nice vibes. I am actually in love with how this hairline is turning out. This is it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tie this down. This is what our baby hair is looking like. I'm just going to go ahead and tie this down and then we finish curling our wig. So they did send us a melting band, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this to tie our wig down. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to give it a little bit more silkiness. This is what the hairline looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation, and basically that will be it. This is what it's looking like. Just going to go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It's giving it really nice, cute vibes, and I love it. This is it. I love how these curls turned out. I love that I styled the unit instead of just doing it regular. This is it. The unit is super soft. This is it. Once again, today we're working with Nadula here, and this is your 13x4 Jerry curl wig. This is what it's looking like. The unit is super pretty, super soft. Honestly, I love how it melts. I love how easy it was to install this unit. I love the curls that it's given. I love everything about this unit. This is it. It is super soft, super bouncy. It is super, super fluffy. This is it. I love how easy it was to install this unit. The unit comes fully customized. It is super soft, super bouncy, and you can see it is super fluffy. I definitely love this unit, and I would definitely give it a 10. This is it. To get this wig, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Nadula here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.